Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back. Very happy good evening to all of you, beta. Very happy good evening. क्या था सुष्मित नंदी and उसका विश्वास महीना and all. कैसे हो बेटा आप सब लोग? How are you all? Homework completed? Okay, one answer. I think Mukundhan sent me. Let me check, beta. Okay, beta. I think your answer is correct. Very happy good evening, beta Ayush. Once again, you're all welcome, beta. Now we are in lecture number 12 and second part of kinetics of chemical reactions. As you all know, this is Gaurav Srivastav sir from Engineers Institute of India with 14 plus years of teaching experience as GATE Chemical Engineering author, educator, multiple GATE top rank with AIR 43 in 2025. So, without any delay, my dear students, I'm going to start this session with homework discussion. Very happy good evening, Shiva Tarun. Problem was very easy. Okay, now see, consider a chemical reaction A plus B forming R plus S. So a, small b, small r, small s. ये सारे क्या है बेटा? These are stoichiometric coefficients. A, B, R, S, stoichiometric coefficients. That means this is a balanced chemical reaction. And if initial moles of A, B, R, S are Na naught, Nb naught, Nr naught, Ns naught, then after some time T, if conversion is XA, just like in a previous case, then I asked for expression Na, Nb, Nr, Ns as well as for Ca, Cb, Cr, Cs. So very easy. Now just focus here, beta. Suppose again, my dear students, here I am assuming let XA be the XA be the fractional conversion. XA be the fractional conversion of A in time t. In time t. Okay. I could not enter, beta. Please call Rajesh sir. He will help you. Okay, beta. Mukundhan. But आप जब enter नहीं किए तो how you can see? You wait, beta. One message I am sending. Okay, send call Rajesh sir immediately. So, beta, if XA be the fractional conversion of A after some time t, then if you want to write A reacted, how much amount of A reacted here? Very easy. Just as you had seen in previous case, beta, if the initial moles n naught, so it will be n naught XA. Now, at the same time, how much moles of B reacted? If you want to write, then in previous case you had written n A naught XA, same to same. But if you are going to write the same thing now, so it will not correct. Why it will not correct? See here. If A moles, then B moles of B, and here not mentioned anything like A is equals to B. So first, beta, you have to rearrange this equation again, and you can write by dividing whole equation with A, small a, it will come A plus B by A into B, and now it is forming small r upon small a, capital R, plus small s upon small a, capital S. Very happy going to Shyam Mukherjee. So clearly here you can see, beta, if 1 moles of A is going to consume, corresponding to this 1 mole, B by A moles of B is going to consume. So if A is going to class 7 unitary rule, if 1 moles of A, then B by A moles of capital B. Then if Na not Xa of A, then it will be how much? How to write this time B reacted then? B reacted, it will be B by A into n naught x na. Just tell me, is it crystal clear to all of you? Beta, please everyone tell me. Is it crystal clear? Just write CC in comment section, beta. Everyone, please write. Everyone, beta, crystal clear. Can we proceed? Crystal clear, sir. Okay. So, my dear students, similarly, you can write for R and S. So, now just write R formed here. R formed here. Clearly, here you can see if 1 moles of A is going to react, R by A moles of R is going to form. So, if N naught XA, then R by A into N naught XA. Very, very easy. बोलो समझ पा रहे हो बेटा? Similarly, you can write S formed. So S formed will be, similarly you can write S by A and not XA. That's it. Now if you want to write their respective number of moles, like what is the value of Na? So Na is moles. What is this? This is moles of A after time t. Moles of A after time t. So initial moles was Na naught. Out of this Na naught XA reacted. So how much left? Na naught minus Na naught XA. So here you can write it as Na is equals to Na naught, you can take common here, 1 minus XA. Okay. I hope everyone is feeling totally comfortable with this topic. Similarly, my dear students, when you are going to write for component B, then here something is going to change. Like for component B, NB, that is number of moles of B after time t. So initial moles of B minus moles of B reacted. And see, moles of B reacted is not N naught XA. This time B by A and N naught XA. It is B by A and A naught XA. Similarly, my dear students, when you are going to write for NR, so I don't know I am writing a correct or not correct for R. You have to tell me it is correct or not correct. Okay. So similarly, you can write NR naught, and this time it is R by A and not X. So minus R by A and not X. Now please tell me, is it correct or not correct? If correct, then is it crystal clear to all of you? Please everyone tell me, beta. क्या ये सही है? समझ पा रहे हो? Not correct? Why, Divyansh? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Yes, absolutely correct, my dear students. This is product. So product are not going to react, are formed. So if initial is NR naught, then you have to write plus R by A and not XA. Very good. I am very, very happy. Very, very happy. 100% correct answer coming from your side. So similarly, NS naught, and now here also plus, and here yes by A, and here NA naught into XA. I hope everyone is crystal clear now. Okay. So this is N. You got Na, and that was equals to Na naught 1 minus XA, and these all. Now if you want to convert them in terms of concentration, if you want to write, then please don't forget to mention for epsilon A is equals to 0, that is for constant density system, simple system that we are dealing. Okay, first, so just divide by V divided by V naught, because V is equal to V naught. For this type of system, V will be equals to V naught. So here you can write by V, here by V naught, here by V naught. So this can be written as CA, and that will be CA naught 1 minus XA. Similarly, my dear students, when you're writing for CB, so CB equals to CB naught minus B by A CA naught XA. Similarly, beta, you can write for CR. So it will be CR naught. I don't know that again I am writing correct or not correct. Now again you have to tell me that sir it is correct or sir it is wrong. Okay, you have to tell me. Okay, you have to tell me that sir it is correct or not correct. So be careful. Just don't try to just copy it. Okay, don't try to just copy it. So please tell me after seeing these all four equations that the equations written by me are correct or not correct. Tell me, beta. Everyone, please tell me one more time. These equations are correct or not correct? Correct? 100%? Very good. Fantastic. Okay, so now we can proceed. No doubts. All clear. Very good. Okay, fantastic. Okay, very good, beta. So now we are moving towards next topic, subtopic of this kinetics of chemical reaction. Correct. Very good, beta. You know, whenever you are going to conduct an experiment, whenever you are going to conduct an experiment, for experiment, are you going to do this in a continuous reactor? कोई experiment जब करोगे, so are you going to do this in continuous reactor, or in order to get kinetics of any reaction you are going to do it batch wise? Batch wise means what? Just you are taking one sample container, and just you are going to install one impeller so that the concentration will be uniform throughout. Okay, and now here you are going to do or something like this, reactor coming in coming out every time. In which manner you are going to do an experiment? Please tell me everyone, beta. Something, if you want to search, you want to search something, you want to search kinetics of some unknown reaction, then where you are going to do your experiment? In some continuous reactor or in some reactor that is working like batch wise? Please everyone tell me, beta. Is it batch wise or continuous reactor? कौन सा इस्तेमाल करोगे? Which one you are going to use? Which one you are going to use for experiment? Like to search kinetics. For experiments to search kinetics. Definitely. Absolute. No, beta. Susmit Nandi, why you are using continuous wise reactor? If you are using continuous wise reactor, then you know how much reactant you need for that respective experiment. Here you are not going to form your product. Here you are experimenting. You are searching kinetics, unknown kinetics here. Are you getting my words, beta? Shusit Nandi, are you getting my words? Here you are going to search something. Here your mission, your aim is not to form product. Your aim to search the kinetics of that given reaction. So if you are going to conduct in continuous reactor, definitely regularly flow in, regularly flow out. See how large amount of reactant you need in order to conduct that experiment. But if you are just using a batch wise reactor, just fill it and now left them for a respective time to react. After that time, just check it composition inside, that how much conversion is there, what is the temperature there, and everything, the exothermic is there or endothermic, what is going to happen there. Yes sir, crystal clear. Very good. Now see, that means we are going to use batch reactor. What is batch reactor? Many more things I will tell you later. Many more thing I will tell you later, beta. Okay, when we will deal reactors again. This time just I am giving its introduction like batch reactor. So here clearly you are not going to prefer this. You are going to prefer this one. You are going to prefer this one. That is batch reactor. That is batch reactor. Okay. Now, in our experiments, mostly we are going to here mostly the thing that you are going to search is concentration dependent term. Already you had searched and you know how reaction rate constants are going to dependent upon temperature with the help of three main theories: transition state theory, collision theories, and Arrhenius theory. So this time the main focus here to search kinetics, that is order. That is, you are searching kinetics, the main thing is order. You are searching order here. You are searching order of the reaction. You are searching what rate expression. You are searching that with which rate expression you can express your given reaction. Okay, so clearly we are going to do in batch wise, and also we are trying to maintain temperature constant here. This time, not always, not always. Here, not always, not always. Okay. But here, if temperature is constant, we are assuming. So it is not always. So here I can write assuming. I am assuming that temperature is constant. If temperature is constant, then K is also a constant. Nayar. K is also a constant because K is a function of temperature and temperature is not changing. Only the thing that we are allowing here to change, that is concentration. Here concentration is a function of time. Concentration is a function of time. Okay, so this initial analysis we are going to do for different order reactions, especially the reactions that we are going to discuss here mainly, that is zero order reaction, kinetics of zero order reaction. If nothing mentioned, that means that is given for a batch reactor. If just they are writing a first order reaction is happened there, and if the concentration of A at time t is itna, t1 itna, then at time t2 is how much concentration is there. If nothing mentioned, that means everything is going to happen in a batch wise batch reactor. That was simplest type of reactor. So first you will see zero order reaction, then you will see first order reaction, first order reaction, simple first order reaction. Okay, then you will see simplest type of second order reaction, second order reaction, then you will see third order reaction, third order reaction, and you will also see at last nth order reaction, kinetics of nth order reaction. So these are our first step beta. After this lots of more things are there, like parallel reactions, kinetics, series reaction kinetics, complex reaction kinetics, reaction of shifting order, autocatalytic reaction. Many examples are there. Many more topics we will see in this topic. But initially we are going to search these all, and we are assuming that these are simply like mostly elementary. The first, second, third, these are elementary one. All are elementary one. Okay, simply like if you want to write like zero order reaction, suppose I'm writing A is forming product, that's it, and the formation of product is not going to dependent upon the concentration of A. That means the reaction order is zero order. Similarly, first order reaction, only one possibility is there, simplest possibility that we are going to see, A is forming product. But in second order beta, one thing you can write like 2A is forming product, and you can also write like two reactants like A plus B is forming product. So here simplest reactions we are going to see first. After that complex reactions we will see. Okay, like in third order reaction, again more possibilities are there, like 3A is forming product, only 3 moles of A going to give you product. Or you can write like A 2A plus B forming product. Similarly, you can write A plus 2B, but no need to worry. If you are writing 2A plus B or A plus 2B, the kinetics, the equation that you are going to get for 2A plus B will remain same for A plus 2B. Just substitute A with B. Right, in place of every B A and in place of every A B. Okay, so that means these are not two, these are just one. Okay, and then one more thing you can write A plus B and plus D forming product. Sir, why you're not writing CC for concentration? Just in order to uh, remove confusion. And for nth order reaction, simply A is forming product whose reaction order is nth. Now A is forming product, here the rate equation that we are going to deal, simply R A is equals to K. Simple rate expression that we will deal in detailed manner. For first order reaction, again the simplest part we are going to discuss first. So it will be just K into Ca. Like here, you can write Ra is equals to K Ca square, elementary one. You can assume these all elementary one. As in first step, we are going to deal easiest equations, and many PYQs you can find from these topics. Similarly, here, my dear students, you can write Ra is equals to K Ca cube, Here you can write Ra is equals to K Ca square into Cb. Here you can write Ra is equals to K Ca Cb square. We are assuming just these all equations as elementary reactions. So Ra is equals to again K Ca Cb Cd. And here my dear student you can write just Ra is equals to K Ca raised to power n. So these equations we are going to discuss. Okay. Sir, nth order, why you are not writing n is equals to product? But yeah, I am not assuming these all as elementary one. I'm not like here, if I'm writing nth order, then here n can be some fractional one. Like it can be like zero point 0.5. So how it can be elementary one every time? Are you getting my words? So just I am dealing in simplest manner. That if nth order somewhere written in with respect to a, like here 0. So are you going to write 0 a is forming product? No. 0 is forming product? No. A plus B forming product also can be zero order reaction if concentration is not going to affect the rate of reaction. Okay, only for these three cases, first, second, third, I am assuming here elementary one. If non-elementary, already you had seen approximation was done by us. And also if non if it is not going to follow stoichiometry like some complex type like K Ca raised to power 1.3 Cb raised to power zero point 0.7, like see example, suppose Ra is equals to given K Ca raised to power zero point 0.7 and Cb raised to power 1.3. No, don't worry. This is also again overall reaction order are here also too. No need to worry. In similar manner, you can also deal this one. Okay. So these mean the first part, the important simplest type of reactions you are going to see. You are going to solve this RAKCACB. In similar manner, you can solve KCA raised to power zero point 0.7, CB raised to power 1.3. How? Don't worry. After completing the first step, I will show it later. Okay, beta. Is it crystal clear? Can we proceed, my dear students? Please, everyone, tell me, beta. Can we proceed? No doubts. Everyone, please tell me, beta. Crystal clear, sir. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss these all, and I will also show along with discussion the pyqs asked from these topics. Okay, so these are not all type of reactions. Many complex things, like you are going to see, like you will see soon, like A is forming B, is forming C, is forming D, and maybe here also again it is going to react like this, and again it is going to react this. So lots of possibilities. Every type of possibility I will discuss in detailed manner, but you will be able to solve these complex type of things only if you are feeling like perfect in these topics, in initial topics. Is it crystal clear to all of you, my dear students? Please tell me, everyone. Please tell me, everyone, is it crystal clear? Is it crystal clear? Etc. Later. Okay, crystal clear, sir. Okay, so now please write down first easiest heading, that is zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. So here, my dear students, again I'm considering a reaction. A is forming product. A is forming product. Okay, and now I'm assuming that its rate is given as R is equals to minus dCA by dt. And one more thing, my dear students, here these all things we are going to discuss for epsilon A is equals to 0 only. If it is not 0, what will happen? I will show you later in second step. Okay. So these all discussion you are going to do for epsilon A is equals to 0 for all. For all. Okay. Now, so minus dc by dt you can write only in case of if epsilon A is equals to 0. So minus R is equals to minus dc by dt. And now here you can write just K. Now you have to solve this differential equation, then you will get the concentration with respect to time. Very very easy things. Like here it looks like first order linear differential equation of variable separable type. Just separate the variable and integrate it beta. Like here it can be written as minus dca, and that becomes equals to k dt, k dt. Now you are going to take limit. You are going to take limit here beta. When time is 0, concentration of a was ca naught. After some time t, the concentration of A is Ca. If nothing available and you are going to integrate with respect to x, you will get x. Here nothing available, here like 1 is available. So you are going to integrate with respect to Ca, you will get Ca. So minus here Ca. And limit just right here beta, Ca naught to Ca. And that becomes equals to K. Here you will get T. So it will be 0 to T. Now Ca minus Ca naught minus will give you Ca naught minus Ca is equals to kt minus 0 will give you t. Okay, is it crystal clear to all of you beta? Further, if you are going to rearrange it, so you can write like Ca, and that Ca you can write becomes equals to Ca naught minus kt. Is it correct or not correct? Please tell me. क्या ये सही है गलत है? Correct ना? Very good beta किया दास. So we are getting this as our final expression. Now if I am going to ask you, please plot it on xy diagram. So clearly you can see it is y is equals to mx plus c. So if I'm taking this side y axis, I'm taking concentration of A, and x axis time. So please everyone draw this plot for me beta. ड्रॉ दिस प्लॉट फॉर मी. सभी लोग फटाफट प्लॉट को ड्रॉ करोगे मेरे लिए. After completing, please write done in comment section beta. These are easiest, very very easy topics यार. अगर आप सही से समझ लो, if you're going to focus and once you got it, how I'm going to do deal these all type of reactions, no need to remember these things here. Okay, done. So just now compare with my diagram here. I hope your diagram correct. So is it like this beta? A straight line in decreasing manner. A straight line. Is it same? Please everyone better tell me. Are you getting same to same? Yes sir. Here this is CA naught. क्या बात है. ऐसे फोटो भेज दिया करो ना यार, जैसे सुस्मित नंदी ने भेजा. Just send me pic like Sushmit Nandi send me. Okay, in comment you can also send your pics na yaar. Your pics, not your copy pic. Okay, done. Beta Sushmit Nandi, why you are not touching that to y axis? You can touch ना यार, because you know the value of CA naught. आपको CA naught पता है यार, you know CA naught. अच्छा आपने नहीं भेजा, किसने भेजा, किसका है मैसेज ये? I don't know, unable to see मैसेज. दिव्यांश, sent by दिव्यांश. अरे बंद हो गया रे भाई, wait. Okay, so slope. Very good, very good, very good. It must be a straight line. It must be a straight line with a slope. With slope, my dear student, minus k. See, it's minus k. Slope is minus k. Slope is minus k. Decreasing manner. Okay, is it crystal clear to all of you beta? सभी बच्चा लोग को क्लियर है? Okay, so wait, I'm giving you one beautiful numerical beta. Just give me few seconds. So last problem was problem number 54. So let me show you problem number 55. It will take few seconds beta, because just अभी आपके लिए न्यू प्रॉब्लम बना रहे हैं. That can be asked. That can be asked. Okay. So see. So just to focus on this diagram. Diagram is given in your examination. Okay, and here they are writing like CA, and here they are writing time, and they are mentioning that reaction order is zero order reaction. They are writing zero order reaction, zero order reaction mentioned. Okay. Now graph is given there. Graph is given there. This is a straight line. Wait, let me draw again. It's a straight line. Okay, it's a straight line. Very good, beta. Very good. Absolutely correct, beta. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now here it is given as 5 1. It is given as 5, and some intermediate point is also given. It is 1, and it is given as 0, and graph is given. This graph is given in your examination, suppose. Okay, and here if it is given 0, and here 2. 0. Okay, so this is 0 0, or you can show it like 0 comma 0. Okay. Now they are mentioning concentration in mole per meter cube, and they are mentioning time in minute. Okay. Now uh, they are asking here the value of reaction, zero order reaction, is forming product, and Ra given is equals to dCA by dt, and again is equals to K. Epsilon A is equals to 0. These all things are given. Okay. If they are not mentioning epsilon is 0, nothing mentioned like gas or phase or anything else, clearly reaction that product size RES or what is available there, then you can assume from your side. So the value of reaction rate constant asked. The value of reaction rate constant K in mole per meter cube per second. Please solve this beta. Solve this up to 3 decimal places. Up to 3 decimal places. Can you solve this beta? इसे solve कर सकते हो क्या? Please tell me everyone. Deleted. Answer deleted. I will accept only first answer given from your side. See how beautiful problem. New problem made by me. This can be asked. You can note down like future expected problem. Now the value of reaction rate constant K in mole per meter cube per second is up to 3 decimal places. Everyone, please. Very good, brother Devyansh. Ayush, different answers. Only one can be correct, or maybe both wrong. And please don't delete your comments. Okay, जो आंसर दे दिया. Okay, only in this manner you will going to give you are going to give correct answer next time. Very good, Divyansh. Your answer is correct or not correct? Just check it again and tell me, because other students telling 0.033 and maybe all are wrong and only you are correct. Because no, Mehna is also supporting Divyansh. Very good, Mehna. Two persons. Kya Das. Oh, very good. So 3 3. 3 3. 3 3. Very good. Other students, please everyone tell me. Shan Mukherjee also joining. Mehna Kiadash and Devyans too. Ishwar Uppu too. Very good. Last 40 second. Final 40 second re bye. Final 40 second, my dear students. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on beta, final 5 second. Okay, so time up. So Ishwar Uppu, Shyan Mukherjee, Kyadas, Mehna, and Divyans told two. Ayush, Shiva Tarun, Shushvit Nandi, Anushka Viswas, and Mahalakshmi R. Nair told me 0.033. Okay, so now let me check. Mehna also. No, Mehna, you can't change your answer. You had already given beta. So as I told you, I will accept only first answer. यार. ओके, सेकंड आंसर हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. अगर सेकंड एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो कभी भी सुधार नहीं पाओगे. हमेशा ऐसे गलती करते रहोगे. सो बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम बेटा, बी केयरफुल. ओके. हाँ, अभी तो रोना आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो रो के फिट हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू सही मिस्टेक इन एग्जामिनेशन, देन इट विल बी वेरी वेरी हार्ड फॉर यू टू फॉरगेट. Ishwarupu. Oh, so now copy submitted. Ishwarupu, now you can't change your answer. You can't change your answer. Okay. Now see here. So clearly we know, see solution on the same page here, this side. Clearly you know better that reaction is zero order. So just you had written the slope is minus k. Slope is minus k. Okay. Wait, processing is going on. Okay, done. So clearly you had seen, my dear students, for this question, that slope here can be written as minus k. And what is slope, my dear students? This is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So minus k can be written as, what is y2? Y2, suppose I'm choosing these 2 points, this point and this point. So y2 is 5 minus 1. It is 5 minus 1 upon. And now if you are assuming this as y2 and this as y1, then corresponding to y2, this is your x1 and this is your x2. Okay, sorry, this is your x2, this is your x1, this is your x2 and this is your x1. So clearly here x2 0 minus x1, that is 2. So unit 5 minus 1, it will be mole per meter cube, and here minute. Okay, so 5 minus 1 will be 4, 4 by minus 2 will be minus 2. So minus minus cancelled, so k is coming 2 mole per meter cube per minute. But answer is 2 by 60 mole per meter cube per second, because 1 minute is equals to 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 2 by 60, 1 by 30, that means 0.033 mole per meter cube per second. देखा बेटा, इतना आसान क्वेश्चन आता है. द सेम type of questions are also going to ask in your examination, and if you're not seeing it carefully, you are not going to get marks there. So be careful beta. Okay, so the answer is 0.033. Okay sir, मैं लेता हूँ और सिस मान लो. क्या लिखते हो बेटा? Shian Mukherjee, be careful beta, don't do silly mistake. Okay, so now please tell me, everyone crystal clear? Can we proceed, my dear students? Can we proceed? All clear? Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Now, see beta. This final expression you can also use. This is your final expression. If you're writing like equation number 1, it is also used in order to solve many numericals. Like they are mentioning, I will show you later lots of questions regarding this, relating this topic. Like if zero order reaction is there, the reaction rate constant value is k is itna, C A naught is itna, then what is the concentration of A after time this? So just you have to put C A naught, you know, K you know, just put here T, you will get the value of C. Okay, and this equation number 1 is final expression showing the uh, dependence of Ca on time t in terms of concentration. This is you are writing in terms of concentration. In terms of concentration, suppose I am asking you that please write it in terms of conversion. So see, again I am going to take equation number 1. Wait beta, बार बार processing ले रहा है. Again it processing is going on. So ओह, ये क्या हो गया भाई, सब गायब हो गया रे भाई. Not deleted, that's great. Wait beta, let me save it. Wait. Okay, done. Now again we are going to deal that equation number 1. So by equation number 1, again please focus here. By equation number 1, that you know already, uh, CA is equals to CA naught minus KT. Now beta, you know the CA is CA naught 1 minus XA. CA is CA naught 1 minus XA, and that becomes equals to CA naught minus KT. Just open this bracket, you know ना, just अभी तो आपने किया ये ना, because you know that CA can be written as CA naught 1 minus XA. So CA naught minus CA naught XA, and that becomes equals to CA naught minus KT. CA naught cancelled. So here you can write minus CA naught XA, and that equals to minus KT. Minus minus cancelled. So you can write further XA is equals to K by CA naught into T. Now please again draw one beautiful plot for conversion versus time. Equation number 2. This you have got in terms of conversion. In terms of conversion. So please again beta draw one beautiful plot here. Fatafat. After that just write done in comment section beta. This time here you can take XA and here time. Very good, very good. So clearly it will be a linear line with positive slope going from 0 0 origin. Very good, absolutely correct. Everyone is correct. Fantastic beta, I'm very happy. This time my dear, its slope is K by CA naught. If initial concentration you are going to increase, what will happen with the slope? For different case, what will happen? If C increases, the diagram will be like this: K by C naught again, C naught if high, C naught if less. Okay, so CA is increasing in this direction. C not CA, CA not increases. CA not increase. That was initial feed condition changed. Okay, feed condition changed here. Okay, that means slope will be decreases. And if you're increasing temperature, then K will be increases. If you are increasing temperature, suppose on the same diagram, my dear students, I am telling you increasing temperature, then it will look like this. This is for same K by C naught less, but at a high temperature. This is at high temperature. At a high temperature. So if you are increasing temperature, it will move in this direction. That means slope is increases. Why slope increases? Because T increases, K increases, K increases, slope increases. So mean any number of possibilities you can form with this diagram. बहुत सारे question, many problems you can form, many problems. Okay, so this diagram is also crystal clear to all of you beta. Please tell me everyone, is it crystal clear my dear students? Can we proceed? Very easy. Okay, fantastic. Now let me show you one PYQ. Just wait beta. See, it is beautiful question. Tell me answer. Tell me answer, everyone, please. Very, very easy, because just asked after completing the topic. But even if I'm going to ask after some time, you all are able to give answer. So why I'm showing instantly after that topic? So that you can feel that how questions can be asked. Okay, and soon you will see for first order, for 1.5, or second order, the conversion is not going to follow linear path with time. Okay, soon you will see it. Okay, so here no need to give further time to it, because just you had completed and you got this equation, xa is equals to, for this, xa is equals to k by ca naught t. So clearly xa is proportional to t, time. So conversion A increases linearly with holding time. So order of reaction is 0. Okay. Sir, I tried to download Gate virtual calculator, but it's not available for my version of Android. So what can I do, sir? Beta, just search on Play Store, because I'm also using the simple type virtual calci. I didn't make any calci. हमने कोई calci नहीं बनाया है. डेस्कटॉप का यूज़ करना भाई अवेलेबल है गेट वर्चुअल कैलसी. श्यान मुखर्जी जस्ट told you a path, Google wala. Download from Chrome. Ayush had also written there, download from Chrome. And for further help, you can call Rajesh sir, you can call Santosh sir. Okay beta, क्योंकि अवेलेबल है, अवेलेबल, इट इज अवेलेबल, जस्ट यू हैव टू search. Okay, so zero order reaction is completed now. Now see, in similar manner, my student, first order reaction. First order reaction. So please everyone tell me what a zero order reaction. Everyone crystal clear now? And you, I think now everyone feel that nothing is special there to remember. Okay, just you have to learn how to deal it. Whenever required, you are going to derive there. Okay, not a single equation you are going to learn like first, second, third, everywhere. Whenever required, just derive it. Okay, just to increase your speed, I will mention few final expression to learn, but after writing all equations, then I will show which one you have to learn in order to save time in the examination, during examination. Okay, okay, now no talk about virtual calci more. After completion of class, again you can talk there. ठीक है बेटा, अभी just focus on this lecture. Clear? हाँ आयुष भाई, हाँ भाई, पुराना वर्जन में बहुत है, लेटेस्ट में नहीं आया है. Okay, so now talk after class. So again, my dear student, first order reaction. So I am considering one beautiful type of reaction. A is forming product, and now for this reaction, the rate of reaction Ra is given as minus 1 by V dNA by dt, and as this is, again you are writing for epsilon A is equals to 0, that is constant volume system. So again it can be written as dCA by dt. This becomes equals to dCA by dt only for epsilon is equal to 0. If it is not 0, then equation will be changed. What changed there? You will see there when we will start discussion. Epsilon is not equal to 0. So now here I can write it like k and ca is square. Is it correct, beta? Is it correct? Is it correct? Tell me, everyone. Is it correct? Not correct. Yeah, because order of reaction is 1. So it must be Ca raised to power 1. No, nothing special here. Again, you can see it looks like first order linear differential equation of variable separable type. Just you have to separate variables, take limit, integrate, plot graph, then again convert in terms of conversion, then plot graph. That's it. So see here again I can write it like minus dca upon ca, and that can be written as k into dt. Now again we have to take limit here. Again we have to take limit. When time t is 0, the concentration of A initially Ca naught. When time is small t, concentration is Ca. Now, when you are going to integrate 1 by x, can you tell me the integration of 1 by x? पता है क्या आपको बेटा? Please tell me integration. Please tell me integration. This is equal to first order rate equation of reactant A. Is it? Yeah, very good beta. So it will be ln of x. Fantastic, mind blowing, superb. So here you will get minus ln of Ca, and just write limit here Ca naught to Ca, and that equals to k t. Put limit here 0 to t. Minus will change upper limit to lower, lower to upper. So again you can write it like, or just write minus upper limit is Ca, so ln of Ca minus ln of Ca naught, that equals to k t minus 0. Okay, log A minus log B can be written as ln A by B, so ln Ca by Ca naught, and that becomes equals to kt. So this is your first expression, first standard form. Okay, again my dear students, further you can solve it, and you can write it like ln of Ca by Ca naught is equals to minus kt, and then it can also be written as final. Further moving, again you can write it like Ca by Ca naught is equals to exponential of e raised to power minus kt, or Ca can be written as Ca naught e raised to power minus kt. Again one standard form we got. Now what you have to do my dear students, you have to plot 3 plots here. Okay, आपको 3 डायग्राम एक बार फिर से बनाना है. Okay, so please draw it, and one more diagram you have to make. Oh, ये क्या हो गया रे भाई? Okay, one more diagram you have to make. Just wait. I'm adding. That is ln of Ca naught minus ln of Ca is equals to kt. So please draw these 4 graphs for me beta. Everyone please फटाफट ड्रॉ करेंगे. Just after drawing, write done in comment section. चलो ग्राफ हमने भी तैयार कर लिए. 4 graphs. Sir, what we have to take on x and y axis? Good question. So here you have to take ln of Ca versus time t. Here minus ln of Ca by Ca naught versus time t. Here also versus time t. Here also versus time t. So here on this side you have to take ln of Ca by Ca naught versus t. Here you have to write Ca versus time t. Now please plot it. After plotting, just write done in comment section. You can take up to 45 seconds to 1 minute max. Don't take too much time. You can share pics just in one picture, all diagrams. Please share me. Waiting for your comments. Very good. I'm unable to see diagrams. Still downloading. I think mobile internet speed is not there. Okay, but unable to see. Send me again. हो सकता है कुछ maybe some downloading problem is there. So please send me again. Okay, no need to send it again. Okay, got it. Very good. Very good. Super. You have to also mention on y-axis the starting point, my dear students. Starting point को भी you have to denote. Okay. So now just focus here, beta. When you are going to plot the first one, here it is ln of Ca is equals to ln of Ca naught minus Kt. So minus Kt means it is going to start from here and move like this. And this point will be give you ln of Ca value, Ca naught value. Okay, ln of Ca will be here and minus Kt. So here the slope will be minus K. Okay. Similarly here, very is y is equal to mx. So it will start from origin and move like this. And here the slope is K. And if someone asks you by increasing temperature what will happen with slope, definitely slope will be increases because K will be increases. Here again y is equal to mx, but the slope is the negative side. So now the question is how to draw it. Very easy, like this. So this time you can write slope is minus k. Are you getting my words? Hmm. Is it correct? Are you able to draw this? क्या आप इसे बना सकते हो? Please everyone tell me beta. Shiva Turun sir, intercept will be 0. Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Can you draw it like this? क्या आप इसे बना सकते हो? Hmm? Is there any mathematical sense is okay? Very good. Mathematical sense is okay. But is it your CRE sense, technical sense is also okay? Hmm? Very good. Very good. Below x axis. Below x. Why? Because when time t is equals to 0, CA is equals to CA naught. And when CA is equals to CA naught, CA naught by CA naught will be 1. And ln of 1 value is 0. Ln of 1 value will be 0 now. So here the starting point, if you are mentioning like this, then here this point will show you what? 0. Are you getting my words? समझ पा रहे हो बेटा? That here 0 is not at, this is not origin here, 0 is here, and in above case this is your 0 0. Okay, in this case also this is your 0 0, but here in this case this is your 0, this is your 0 on y axis. Are you getting my words? समझ पा रहे हो बेटा? Why I am writing intercept is 0 when time t is 0? So time side 0 is here, this is your 0. समझ पा रहे हो कि नहीं समझ पा रहे हो? Are you able to understand? See, this is your graph, this is your graph. Okay, this is your graph. So this is your 0 0 now. Here is 0 0. This is time, this is time, and this is ln of CA by CA naught. Now is it crystal clear to all of you? And the final one is clearly exponential one. So you have to tell me beta, this one is correct or this one is correct or this one is correct. 1 2 3, which one is correct? Which graph is correct one? Please tell me. 1 2 3, which one is correct here? Clearly the starting point is CA naught. T is 0, e raised to power 0, that means 1, CA will be CA naught when time t is 0. So clearly 0 0 here. Which one is correct? So few students telling me second one, Divyan's third one, Kiada's third one, Mehna Ayush second one, Shushit Nandi second one, Shiva Tarun third one, Devarsh Agnihotri second one. So you are confusing between second and third. Okay, very good. So one thing is crystal clear to all of you beta, that the first one is not correct because this is exponential decay. Exponential decay means starting the slope is more, then slope will be decreases. Here initially slope is less, increases later. So this is not correct. And my dear students, second is absolutely correct, third is not correct. Why? Because this is exponential decay. You can't show that it is going to touch this time axis in just finite time beta. So this graph is also not correct because it touches here. Okay, t must be, it is going to touch this when t tends to infinite. Only in that case it is going to touch this axis. So these two are absolutely wrong. In your examination, exponential graph already asked, you can see in PYQs, but that question asked from mathematics. In one graph that exponential decay touches axis, in one not touches. So if exponential you are going to draw, you can't show that it is going to touch here. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? Please tell me everyone. Please tell me everyone, beta. थर्ड वन इज वाई, थर्ड वन इज नॉट करेक्ट. क्या ये आप सभी बच्चा लोग को क्लियर है? कैन वी प्रोसीड? नो डाउट्स? ऑल क्लियर? Okay, fantastic, super. Sir, what is the value of slope here? Slope is a variable one here, beta. Slope is not constant. See. Wait. Let me show you again. See that diagram one more time, my dear students. So the graph that you are going to plot for CA, that becomes equals to CA naught e raised to power minus KT. And this is exponential decay. So on y-axis you are writing CA and this side you are writing time t. Now your graph started from CA is equals to CA naught and this is your origin 0 0. This is your origin 0 0. This is your graph. Okay. Now see beta, slope is different after every time. See, at this time you have more slope. At this point slope is decreases. At this time less slope is there. Now less slope is there. So slope decreases with t, with time t. Okay, slope decreases with time t. That means initially the reaction, the initial rate, if you're going to see the how the conversion is going to form, initially the rate is very very high, but after some time the rate is less. Why? Because concentration of A is going to less. So is starting decay is fast, then decay is slow and slowest one. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? So slope decreases with time. Slope decreases with time. There is not a constant slope. This is not a constant slope. Okay, because this is exponential graph. Exponential. Okay, done. Is it crystal clear, beta? The same graph, my dear students, in your examination, suppose they are asking like this, that this is your graph, and suppose here you are writing CA by CA naught and versus time t. Again the graph will come in similar manner, but only the change is there that this time this graph is starting from point 1. Okay, and this is your 0 0. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? Can we proceed? बहुत आसान है. These all topics are very very easy, and I hope you are also feeling same. Are also feeling same. Done? Okay. So the equation that you got here, that is in terms of concentration. Clearly these all equations are in terms of concentration. In terms of concentration. Suppose this time I am assuming this as my equation number 1. So again by equation 1, you can solve it and give expression in terms of conversion. Very very easy. So the equation was minus ln of CA by CA naught minus ln of CA by CA naught, and that becomes equals to beta KT. You know that epsilon A, for epsilon A is equals to 0, you know that CA can be written as CA naught 1 minus XA, where XA is the fractional conversion of A. So the above equation again you can write like ln of CA naught 1 minus XA whole upon CA naught, that equals to KT. Something cancelled here. Very good, but absolutely correct, beta Kyadash. Minus minus cancelled here. Now we can write ln of 1 minus XA is equals to KT, or further solving you can write it like ln of 1 minus XA is equals to minus KT, or 1 minus XA is equals to e raised to power minus KT, or my dear students, XA can be written as, from this equation, XA can be written as 1 minus e raised to power minus KT. Now again you have to plot two diagrams, one for this one beta and one for this one. Many number of possibilities are there. So please plot it, XA versus T in second case. In this case you can take minus ln of 1 minus XA here and time T here, and in one case XA here, time T here. Now that's the reason that mostly in your examination the plot that they are going to give you the first equation plot, not going to give the second one, because the origin here is not present on this. If you are writing 0 0 here, it will be wrong. They have to make like this. So mostly they are going to write this as your standard equation, minus ln CA by CA naught is equals to KT. Done? Okay, very good. So Shiva Tarun, your no, Anushka Viswas, your graph is not correct, beta. I got only two graphs. Hmm? One is from Ayush, one from Anushka. Please, beta, everyone, please plot it. Only in that case you can feel online class just like offline class. I want to see your copies. Very good, beta Divyansh. Very good. So this one is very easy. Just a linear line with slope is equals to k, y is equal to mx. But here, see, when time t, suppose this is your 0 0, this is your 0 0 beta. Okay, now just a focus here. Very good, very good. So when time t is equals to 0, when time t is 0, so e raised to power 0 will be 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Conversion is 0. Absolutely correct. So graph is not going to start from here. It is going to start from 0. And it is 1 minus. So initially, if just you are writing for this one was like this. So if 1 minus you are going to do here you are going to do 1 minus na yaar. If 1 minus is there, then its nature will be, it can, when time t tends to infinite, this will be 0 and x a will be 1. So this is final destination and it will look like this now. Are you getting my words? Is it crystal clear to all of you? So clearly here also you can see, with respect to time, with respect to time, slope decreases. See, slope here more, here less. So slope again, my dear students, decreases with time. Same nature na. Arey bhai, if concentration nature is slope decreases with time, and initially the rate is faster, initially the reactant is going to consume faster, and then slower, slowest. So same thing also going to happen with conversion na? That initial 30-40% initially you got, then 40 to 50 take more time, 50 to 60 again take more time, 60 to 70 again take more time, 70 to 80 again take more time. Are you getting my words? Is it crystal clear to all of you beta? क्या ये आप सभी को क्लियर है? Can we proceed? Very easy. Okay, fantastic. So main numericals also can be asked. I will show now all numericals after completing this all topic. These all discussion of these all kinetics. Step 1 kinetics. These all. Then I will show numericals. So in similar manner, my dear students, you can deal second order reaction. Second order reaction. So again, many possibilities, and out of many possibilities, the simplest possibilities that we got are two A's forming, either two A's forming product or A plus B is forming product. So we are going to discuss one by one. Okay. So first case we are going to discuss, that was simply 2A is forming product. See beta, if epsilon A is 0 na, then in right hand side just they are going to write mention product. If epsilon A is not equal to 0, for that type of question they have to mention on product size, on product side, how much, what is the stoichiometric coefficients of each and every product. Okay, so we are in simplest first case, that is epsilon is equal to 0, no need to worry here. So for this case, my dear students, the rate expression can be written as minus Ra is equals to minus 1 by V d Na by dt, that equals to, because epsilon is equals to 0, so I can mention it as minus dca by dt, and that can be written by me as kca square. Again, looks like first order linear differential equation of variable separable type. So not this time, do integration for me. Okay, and after completion of, in terms of concentration, in terms of conversion, after plotting graph, possible graphs, then just write down in comment section beta. Okay, everyone please do this for me. सभी लोग फटाफट करेंगे. I'm waiting for your comments. Just write down in comment section after completing it. Very good. Few students done, few still doing. So please don't see on unable to draw a graph for conversion. Everything is done. Don't worry about Susmit. When time t is 0, initial concentration was Ca naught. After some time t, the concentration is Ca. Very, very easy. So minus and Ca raised to power minus 2. So plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. You know na, x raised to power n, integration is x n raised to power 1, n plus 1, x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Ca naught to Ca, and right hand side very, very easy, k t 0 to t. Now 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, minus minus will cancel it, and minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, so it will be 1 by Ca, 1 by Ca. So upper limit is Ca, so I can write 1 by Ca and then minus 1 by Ca naught, and it will come k t minus 0. So you can write just kt. Further you can write 1 by Ca is equals to 1 by Ca naught plus kt. For this given case, you can draw a beautiful graph. You can also plot for the first one, but the second one is more famous. So wait. This time, this side I am taking 1 by Ca, and this side I am taking time t. So the graph, how you are going to make? कैसे बनाओगे भाई? From where it is going to start? Very good. With some value of intercept. So you are making graph like this. Y is equals to mx plus c, like this. Let me check you are correct or not correct here. So it should be 1 by Ca naught. Very good. With respect to time, concentration will be decreases. 1 by decreases, that means the value will be increases. Is it increases? Yes. After every time 1 by Ca value increases. That means your graph is absolutely correct, beta. And here the slope is k. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Now if you want to convert and you want to write in terms of conversion, then see here, you can write 1 upon Ca naught, 1 minus Xa minus 1 upon Ca naught, and that equals to Kt. Ca naught take common and then write 1 minus Xa upon 1 minus Xa, that becomes equals to K Ca naught T. 1 minus 1 cancelled, so finally you can write Xa upon 1 minus Xa, that becomes equals to K Ca naught T. This is your final expression. Further analysis, my dear students, you can write the equation as Xa is equals to K Ca naught T upon 1 plus K Ca naught T. So please, everyone, just use cross multiplication, and after getting Xa is equals to K Ca naught T upon 1 plus K Ca naught T, write done in comment section. फटाफट सभी लोग लिखेंगे. This is one more equation, equation number 2. Concentration conversion. Done sir. Okay, very good. सभी का आ गया बेटा? Here the graph that I am going to plot is xa upon 1 minus xa versus time t. Now, when time t is 0, so clearly the conversion is 0. So 0 upon 1 minus 0, 0 upon 1, that means 0. Yeah, it can start from origin. That means we can plot. We can plot it mathematically as well as technically correct. Technically correct graph. So here the slope is k ca naught. Is it crystal clear to all of you, beta? Now, if time increases, xa increases. So 1 minus xa can increase up to 1. So suppose xa increases like zero point 0.9. So here 0.9. So 1 minus 0.9. That means 0.1, 0.9 by 0.1. That means 9. Yeah, it is increases. And the max value that you can get here will be x is equals to 1. So that will be going to give you after t tends to infinite now. See, xa is equals to 1. So 1 upon 0, that means infinite on y-axis. Are you getting my words? Are you getting my words, beta? Okay, very good. Homework. Plot xa versus time. That means I want this side xa, this side time. Okay, you have to plot this one. For given equation xa is equals to kca naught t upon 1 plus kca naught t. Data given, ca naught is equals to 1 mole per meter cube, k is equals to 1, and what should be unit here? This is second order now, so unit of k is time inverse concentration raised to power 1 minus 1. Is it correct beta? क्या ऐसे ही लिखते हो? Please tell me everyone, is it correct? 1 minus order is 2. So it will be second inverse and mole per मीटर क्यूब इनवर्स. इज इट करेक्ट बेटा? एक बार जरा सभी लोग बताओगे. हाउ टू गेट एक्सप्रेशन इन ब्लू सर्किल. किया दास. ओके बेटा, आई एम शोइंग यू, डोंट वरी. फर्स्ट टेल मी, ये समझ पा रहे हो होमवर्क? सो द यूनिट इज, अरे कहाँ लगा रहे थे, हाँ यहाँ पे, मीटर क्यूब पर मोल पर सेकेंड. मीटर क्यूब per mole per second. So now hint how to draw it. You have to draw on graph just for extra feeling. Do this work, okay? Because still you are in June, so you can do these works for more feeling. Like you have to just draw, write t and write exa, and just write 0, then again put write like 1, write like 2, and many more values, and just calculate what is the value of xa from this given equation. Then just on real graph, 1 2 3 4 right here, and here write 1, here write 2, and here write point 0.1, point 0.2, point 0.3 up to 1, because maximum conversion 100%, that means xa fractional can be max 1. So in this manner you have to draw it, and after drawing just send me on Telegram group. Okay, answer send me on Telegram, on Telegram ग्रुप में सभी लोग सेंड करेंगे. ओके बेटा. नाउ वन स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड कि आदा सर हाउ यू गॉट द ब्लू सर्किल इक्वेशन. ओके बेटा, आई एम शोइंग यू, डोंट वरी. सी, one more slide added for you. So we have xa upon 1 minus xa. We have equation xa upon 1 minus xa, and that equals to k ca naught t. Cross multiplication will give you xa is equals to k ca naught t into 1 minus xa. Further solving will give you xa is equals to k ca naught t minus k ca naught t xa. Write xa one side, so xa plus k ca naught t xa, that equals to k ca naught t. Now take xa common beta, it will come 1 plus k ca naught t is equals to k ca naught t. So finally you can write beta x is equals to k ca naught t whole upon 1 plus k ca naught t. Is it crystal clear बेटा? क्या आदाश समझ गई बेटा? Is it crystal clear? Please tell me. Done beta? Yes sir, crystal clear sir. Okay, so first case done, and homework also done. You have to draw on real graph. Okay, now second case, very easy. Case number 2. If you are considering reaction like A plus B forming products, okay, and here if two reactants are there, so you are assuming initial concentration of A as Ca naught, similarly initial concentration of B you are assuming Cb naught, and the conversion just you are writing in terms of A only here, fractional conversion of A in time t, in time t, that is x. And here the rate expression you are going to write like Ra is equals to minus 1 by V dNA by dt. And again, my dear students, here I am going to deal for that easiest one case. Epsilon A is equals to 0. So it will be reaction rate constant here. You can mention here K. So it's K CaCb now. Now, so please again do it for me. You have to solve this equation number 1. But how you can solve? Before that, just focus. One more example I want to share, like this one. Just focus here. Just focus here, beta. Okay. Suppose initially I am going to write in place of Ca not 1 minus Xa. What will happen? Minus D, and in place of Ca you have to write Ca naught 1 minus Xa. So Ca naught minus Ca naught Xa. Okay. And whole upon dt. That can be written as K Ca naught 1 minus Xa. Ca naught is a constant differentiation will be 0 and minus minus will be positive. So it can be written as Ca naught, because Ca naught is constant, so you can write outside differential box. Dxa by dt is equals to K Ca naught 1 minus Xa. Ca naught cancelled here. So you can write dxa by dt, that can be written as beta K 1 minus Xa. Now further solving, see, looks like first order linear differential equation variable separable type. So you can write dxa upon 1 minus Xa, and that can be written as our right hand side k dt. Again you have to take limit and integrate it here. So this time limit is when time is 0, conversion is 0. At some time t, if I'm assuming conversion is Xa. So what will happen here? What will happen, by my dear students? So it will be ln of, it will be ln of 1 minus Xa, and 1 differentiation 0 minus Xa will be minus 1. So here minus will be present, and here kt minus 0, that means kt. Just check. Wait यार, इतनी दूर क्यों लिख दिया? एक ही इक्वेशन तो है. So it will be minus ln of 1 minus Xa, and that equals to kt minus 0, that is t. And here see, upper limit Xa, lower limit 0. So ln 1 is 0, so lower limit is 0 here, so no need to write it. So this is your final expression here that you got if initially you are going to start in terms equation with in terms of conversion. Is it the same? Let me check. Oh my god, see, 100% same equation now. So initially you can start also from conversion equation now, and now you can put in conversion equation, you can put data for concentration, then you can also get from conversion concentration equation. How, sir? See, in the same equation, see this equation again here on the same slide I want to show you. Not going to change slide, just focus here beta, very easy. So I can write Ca is equals to Ca naught. What is Ca? Ca is Ca naught 1 minus Xa. So in place of 1 minus Xa, I can write Ca by Ca naught now. Yeah. So minus ln of Ca by Ca naught is equals to kt. Oh my god. This equation is also same that you are getting from this equation here. Are you getting my words? See. Yeah. Absolutely correct. Same to same. So that means initially we can solve in terms of concentration, then we can get conversion equation. Or initially we can also solve in terms of conversion, then later we can get in terms of concentration. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Please one more time beta. Please tell me, everyone please tell me beta. Waiting for your comments. Everyone please tell me beta. Tell me beta, everyone please tell me. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Crystal clear, beta? Okay, so my dear students, here for this given case, case number 2, we can't solve in terms of concentration initially. Why? Because Ca is there, Cb is there, two variable terms are there, and in left hand side this is just dCa by dt, but in right hand side you are going to write k Ca Cb. Oh my god, that means Ca is also a function of time, Cb is also a function of time. So it will be very complex, we can't solve it. But if we are going to convert in terms of conversion, then we can write Cb also in terms of xa, just you had seen. So the same thing we are going to do here, yeah. So what we can write in place of minus dCa by dt, see, just done by me. In place of dCa by dt, you had done this one, then done this one you got. This one you got. So Ca naught dxa by dt. Ca naught dxa by dt. So you can write this one as minus d and Ca naught 1 minus xa, or you can write Ca naught d Ca naught minus Ca naught xa by dt. And here you can write k, you know Ca is Ca naught 1 minus xa, and here 1 is going to give you 1b. So just initial case, in a previous lecture you had seen na yaar, for initial case, see, Ca is this one, so Cb can be written like this na yaar, Cb naught minus Ca naught xa. So here you can write what? Cb naught minus Ca naught xa. We we are putting here C is equal to Ca naught 1 minus xa, and for this reaction we know how to get Cb. So Cb will be Cb naught, if 1 moles of A reacted, 1 moles of B is also reacted. So if A is reacted Ca naught xa, so Cb is reacting also Ca naught, Cb naught, Ca naught xa, that means the left amount is Cb naught minus Ca naught xa. Now you have to solve this one. Left hand side already solved by s. So minus Ca naught differentiation with respect to time is 0 because Ca naught is not going to change with time. This is initial concentration. And this minus Ca naught is not a function of time. So Ca, yeah, minus minus comes cancelled. Ca naught you can write outside the box. Ca naught. So dxa by dt. Concentration of A is a function of time, but here always you have to write initial concentration. So that's why I'm telling you that you have to write initial concentration even after 200 hour. If I'm asking you what was your initial concentration, you will tell sir 2. If I'm asking after 2000 days, then still what was the initial concentration, better you will tell again sir 2. So this is the initial concentration value here. Okay, this Ca is a variable term, Cb is a variable term. So here k Ca naught is equals to k Ca naught and 1 minus xa, and here you can take common Cb naught, Ca naught take common. So if you are taking Ca naught common, then inside Cb naught by Ca naught, Cb naught by Ca naught and minus xa. Just check it, beta, is it correct? One Ca naught will be cancelled from this Ca naught, and finally you can write your first order linear differential equation as dxa by dt, and that becomes equals to k 1 minus xa. Wait, 1 Ca is still there. 1 Ca is still there. So k Ca naught 1 minus xa, and here I am writing it as m minus xa. M minus xa, where m is Cb naught by Ca naught. Okay, now this is your final first order linear differential equation, and now please tell me, is it correct or we missed anything? You have to solve this equation number 1. No, this is your second equation, one already assumed by us. फटाफट बताओ बेटा. Can we write R is equal to minus dCB by dt? No, that will be minus RB na beta. And R is equals to RB here. Then you can write, yeah, you can write. For this case, you can write. I used for this case you can write because the relation between RA and RB is same. Minus RA by 1 is equal to minus RB by 1. That is minus R is equal to minus RB. So you can write minus dCA by dt or you can write minus dC by dt. No need to worry. Okay? Is it clear? By any way, the final expression is not going to change. Final expression you will get same to same. बोलो बेटा फटाफट सभी लोग बताएंगे. Now please solve it. Now how to solve it बेटा? इसे solve कैसे किया जाएगा? It's very easy ना. Again looks like first order linear differential equation of variable separable type. बोलो ये सभी को क्लियर है ना? यही आएगा. Please confirm me everyone बेटा. Still not getting comments from your side. Crystal clear, sir. Okay, very good. So now you have to separate variables because again looks like first order linear differential equation. Yeah, partial fraction required. Very good beta. Shiva Tarun and Kiadas. So dxa upon 1 minus xa, and here you have to write m minus exa. That will be equals to k ca naught dt. And what should be our limit here? When time t is 0, the conversion was also 0. After some time t, we are assuming the fractional conversion of a is exa. Now, my dear students, you have to solve this equation number 3. And you have to perform this integration. Okay? And this is your homework. This is your homework. I am giving you final expression. So just do it for me. Okay, tomorrow I will solve it and show you that final expression. Here I am directly giving that final expression. Answer for this question. Solve it. This is your homework. We'll discuss in next lecture. We'll discuss in next lecture. I am also giving you that final expression. Just note it. So the final expression is ln of m minus exa whole upon m 1 minus xa. This ln of this whole, okay, ln of m minus xa upon m 1 minus xa is equals to k ca naught m माइनस वन टी। ओके बेटा, ये आपको लेके आने का है। दिस इज फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कन्वर्जन। एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ये भी आपको परफॉर्म करना है। इट विल कम सी ए नॉट सी बी अपॉन सी बी नॉट सी ए एंड दैट इक्वल्स टू k सी बी नॉट माइनस सी ए नॉट टी। ओके बेटा, आ भी गया? वेरी गुड बेटा शिवा तरुण। सो एवरीवन प्लीज परफॉर्म इट बेटा, सभी को ही परफॉर्म करना है। ओके in order to get it, just you have to convert again that conversion form in terms of concentration. बोले बेटा सभी को क्लियर है? ln of m minus xa m1 minus xa kc नॉट। वेरी गुड बेटा किया दास, अभी लगा लिया यार आप लोगों ने तो। एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट यार। एनी मोर कमेंट्स? और भी किसी का आ गया क्या? चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, जस्ट परफॉर्म इट। ओके, so my dear students, everyone enjoyed in today's lecture? Please confirm me. What I taught you today, all things are crystal clear to all of you beta? If any doubt, I'm still here for next 2 3 4 minutes, so if any doubt just ask me beta. Everyone enjoyed? All clear? Without any pressure? Enjoyed sir, very good, fantastic. So today we already completed this zero order reaction, the first order reaction and the second order reaction. First one complete and second one is going on. That means in next lecture you will see these all again, and definitely in next lecture we will be able to complete it. Zero order reaction, see one thing I want to show you. For zero order reaction, this is your conversion, and clearly here you can write that conversion is directly proportional to time. Okay, for this case only. See this problem, if you are thinking for first order or second order, then see now you have equation C. Clearly conversion is not directly proportional to time. This is exponential function, so first order is not correct. And in similar manner beta, you got for second, see here also conversion is not directly proportional to time. In similar manner you can also derive for this 1.5 order? बोलो ये समझ में आ गया सभी को? One more time please write crystal clear. Everyone please tell me beta. What I told you that only for this zero order this is directly proportional, and for all other you can see it is not directly proportional. Okay, these graphs no need to remember again and again, just you can feel it whenever required, just draw it, just plot it. That make sure that if any exponential decay or exponential graph is there, then don't touch it with that final point, final destination. That will be only and only you are going to get when t is going to t tends to infinite. Okay, second order, very easy. This one is your homework, so only one homework. This one you have to plot on graph, real graph, and you have to do this one. Okay, so now can we bind this session better? Can I end this session? No doubts? Everyone please confirm me. Still waiting for next 1 minute. All clear? Sir, how CB terms in final answer, sir? CB term where beta? In this case, Shiva Taru, in this case beta, when you are going to convert in CB or CA, see, uh, this CB you can write like C A naught M minus X. आप इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हो ना बेटा, where this M is CB naught by CA naught. See, multiplied CB naught and multiplied CA naught. So in place of M minus X, put CB by CA naught. Okay, and in place of 1 minus X, put CA by CA naught. That's it beta. Is it clear? Shiva Tarun beta, is it clear? Okay sir, got it. Okay beta. So if you want dream job, then definitely if you are going to get AIR 1, AIR 100, any rank between these two, my dear students, you are going to join your dream job. And the key success, then the key is revision. So don't forget to revise your notes every day. I must do my vision daily, 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 I must do my vision daily. Okay, so take care, all the best to all of you. Very very happy good night to all of you, love you all, take care.